Hey, grade 7. Today is our subject in Computer 7 in week 7. I'm Mr. Rinaldo B. Malimban, and today's our lessons speak about the personalized Windows environment. In Windows is designed for the home computing. It is a powerful, can be used in small and big business organizations. Windows provide exciting experiences on the mouse click. It can manage videos, music, digital photos, build a home network, and share across devices and create cloud storage. It makes computing faster and easier. Windows 7 also looks like the old Windows XP. It has the start menu and the basic functions similar to the old Windows. Windows 8 on the other hand is filled with the tiles of different apps that are easy to launch and touch or click interaction. So the start menu is removed, commands are invisible, and you need to move your mouse on the edge to view certain commands. What is Windows 7? Windows 7 is an operating system that was produced by Microsoft and released as part of the Windows NT family of operating systems. It was released to manufacturing on July 22, 2009 and became generally available on October 22, 2009. Software Generative Operating System, developer Microsoft Corporation, Gates. Can you still use Windows 7 after 2020? Yes, you can continue using Windows 7 after January 14, 2020 or the past month, January 14, 2020. Windows 7 will continue to run as it was today. However, you should upgrade to Windows 10 before the past January 14 to 2020 because Microsoft will be discontinuing all technical support, software updates, security updates, and any other fixes after that date. What kind of software is Windows 7? This Windows 7 is the Microsoft Windows Operating System or OS released commercially in October 2009 as the successor of Windows Vista. Windows 7 is built on the Windows Vista kernel. It was intended to be an update to the Vista OS. Can you still use Windows 7 after 2020? So what kind of software is Windows 7? Those are the possible answer when I giving you an introduction. In computing, booting is the process of starting a computer. It can be initiated by the hardware such as button press or a software command. After it is switched on, a computer central processing unit or CPU has no software, its main memory. So some of process must be load software into memory before it can be executed. What are the parts of the window welcome screen? And this is our monitor screen in a Microsoft Windows 7. The first part is the icons. Next is the desktop icon. Next, mouse pointer, wallpaper, start button, taskbar, notification area, date and time, start menu, desktop gadgets, and the windows. Let us give the value of meaning of this part. Number 1 is icons. And icons, there are small images that are linked to the program. 2. Desktop icons. This is the screen that you see when you open the computer. It contains the commands needed for opening programs. Third is mouse pointer. This is also called the cursor. It serves as your guide because the pointer tells where you are on the screen. Next is wallpaper. This is the background of your desktop. 5. Start button. This button is located on the lower left part of your screen. It is used that start menu that is used to do the following tasks like start programs, open commonly used folder, change computer settings, search for programs, files and folders, shut down, restart, log off your computer, and switch and change your accounts. Next is the taskbar. This is the toolbar used to launch the monitor running programs. Tasks are minimized here to perform multitasking activities. 7 is notification area. This shows the status of your computer system. It gives a reminder or a notice of what are going on in some parts of the program installed in your computer. 8 is date and time. It shows the present date and time. It uses to record the time whenever you create or modify files on your computer. You can change the clock according to your location, language, and time zone. To change the date and time, you can do the following. 1 is open date and time by clicking the date and time tab. To change the hour, double-click the hour and click the arrows up and down to increase or decrease the value. The same procedure is done to change the minute and the seconds. And then, finally, you can click OK when you are done. 9 is the Start menu. These are the lists that appears when you click on the main program. Next is the Desktop Gadgets. It is a software widget or small application that is designed to set on the user desktop screen and much the same way that apps beside the smartphones and tablets. Typically, desktop gadgets perform simple functions such as displaying the time of reader. How to customizing your Windows screen. In Windows, you can customize the following. 1 is the appearance and personalizations. In appearance and personalization, it is used to change the visuals and sounds of your computer. You can select a theme that will change the desktop background, color, sounds, and screensaver. Next is the desktop icons and the account picture. In the desktop icon, you have to click this and you can change your icons to the different look. In account picture, it is used to change your logon or profile picture. You can take a picture of upload from your saved image. Next is the toolbar on the taskbar. You can pin a program to the taskbar and access them by pointing and clicking using the mouse device. To unpin, right-click on the icon and select iPin. Next is the font size and text display. In the font size and text displays in settings, if you have a difficult seeing text on your desktop, click the display setting and choose your desired from font size, then click apply to save your changes. Next is screensaver. In the screensaver, this is used to save power on the monitor by displaying a blank screen or an action that will prevent your monitor from phosphor born in. Adding password secures your computer from people who will use your machine without permission. Next is the desktop gadgets. In the desktop gadgets, this is the mini programs that can display information like a real-time update of the program. It is like the shortcut of the program. Let's move on to the Start menu. In the Start menu, Windows has the Start button that contains the Start menu. The left pane of the Start menu contains different links to the program that you frequently use. The right pane, on the other hand, contains the following. The one is a profile. A profile, it uses the personal folder and the profile of the person who are logged on the Windows. And this is the picture, the example of profile. Next is the documents. This is the My Documents folder. Your own folder. Okay, so this is the example of your documents. Music. Music opens the music library when you can access MP3 music and different audio files like this. So this icons is more on your files by your MP music. Next is games. This is the folder where all games are accessed. Such a way, this is the icons of your games. Next is computer. This is the computer folder. It contains the desk drives, printers, scanners, and computer hardware connected to your computer. Next is control panel. In control panel, this is used to install, uninstall, and check the system settings of your computer. And this is the example of the icons. Next is devices and printers. This is used to view information about your devices and printing settings. Next, and the last is the shutdown button. This is used to close your computer to log out. Next, let us move on to Windows 8. What is Windows 8? in Windows 8, the interface of Windows 8 is totally different from all Windows version. They included start screen, live tiles, and hot corners. It comes with tiles that display all programs or apps installed in the computer. It can also be customized by changing color, scheme, or background, and rearranging titles. So this is the charm bar. Move from the mouse over the rightmost corner of your screen. To open the window, and a selection of tiles or toolbar is the shown perform a task. And Windows 8 also calls in a corner as hot corner. Each corner is your Windows 8 screen perform a task. Now, how can you open this Windows 8? By opening program, you can click start button and choose the program to open. Second, double-click the icon shortcut on the desktop. Third, click the program located in the dock or if a dock is installed. Fourth, click the tile on the start screen Windows 8. 5. Click the folder and then choose the program you want to open. So a Windows 8 is an operating system that was produced by Microsoft, released as a part of the Windows NT family of operating systems. This product was released to manufacturing on August 1, 2012 and generally to retail October 26, 2012. It is the successor to the Windows 7 in a research by the Wikipedia OS family, Windows NT developers, and so on and so forth. What is the function of Windows 8? So this Windows 8, the goal of new Windows 8 interface is the function on both traditional desktop PCs, such as desktop computers and laptops, as well as the tablets PCs. Windows 8 support both touchscreen input as well as the traditional input devices such as keyboard and mouse. What are the names initially given to the Windows 8? Windows 8 code name Midori. It is a version Microsoft Windows that was released on October 26, 2020. What are the main features of Windows 8? And these are: the 10 best features on the Windows 8 are easy gestures, Windows 8 the first truly gestural versions of Windows, live tiles and lock screen. The apps you use Windows 8 can feed you information without you even having to open them. System-wide search, refresh and reset, settings and sync, snap view for multitasking, pin anything, or share everything. Next is, it Windows 8 still okay? Windows 8 has reached in the support, which means Windows 8 devices no longer receive important security updates. We recommend making the free upgrade to Windows 8.1 to continue receiving security updates and support. What is the cost of Windows 8? In the Windows 8 upgrade, edition will be available online and retail for $119.99 MSRP US. The Windows 8 Pro Pack will cost $99.99 cost by $1 or MSRP US. The Windows 8 Media Center Pack will cost $9.99 MSRP US. That's all for today, my lesson in Computer 7. For more updates, please monitor our eClass online learning system. Thank you and goodbye. Again, my name is Mr. Rinaldo B. Malimban, your computer 7.